We recommend adult supervision at all times. Wear protective goggles, and also don't ever light a firework while you're holding it in your hand. Set it on the ground or some kind of mount before you light it. Be sure you know where the firework is going so it doesn't light or cause a burn to any area. So we've seen less firework injuries over the last couple of years, but when they do occur, they can be quite significant. Particularly injuries that we worry about are ones that involve the eyes or hands or burns. People sometimes get burns associated with these. We did used to see more injuries. I think people are being more cautious now. They're not using as large of fireworks as we've seen in the past, but still they can be quite significant if they are injured. Yes, there's a lot of summertime activities that can be dangerous if you are doing them carelessly, but with proper control and also precautions, this can be an okay activity.